Hey everyone! Welcome back to Reviews Heaven. If you're looking to make quick, delicious sandwiches at home, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best sandwich makers that will transform your kitchen into a sandwich-making paradise. Whether you're into classic grilled cheese, gourmet paninis, or hearty breakfast sandwiches, we've got options for every taste. From easy-to-clean non-stick surfaces to fast-heating features, these picks will help you make the perfect sandwich in minutes. And remember, we've made it easy for you to explore each one. Check the description box for all the product links. Now, let's dive into our top picks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. OVENTE Electric Sandwich Maker with Non-Stick Plates. The OVENTE Electric Sandwich Maker is the perfect solution for quick, tasty sandwiches right at home. With 750 watts of power, it heats up fast, letting you prepare delicious meals in just minutes. Made from durable stainless steel, this sandwich maker resists rust and corrosion, ensuring it lasts through regular use. It's ideal for creating classic favorites like grilled cheese, omelets, and even French toast. Using it is simple. Just preheat, add a light layer of butter to the plates, assemble your ingredients, and you'll have a golden brown sandwich with sealed edges and a warm, gooey center. Plus, the non-stick coating means cleanup is a breeze. Simply wipe with a damp cloth once cooled. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to store, standing upright to save space in any kitchen. Safety is also prioritized with a cool touch handle and anti-skid feet. And with reliable US-based customer service, you can buy confidently. The OVENTE Electric Sandwich Maker truly makes quick, tasty meals effortless. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker with Egg Cooker Ring. The Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker is the ultimate solution for quick, customizable breakfast sandwiches right at home. Forget drive-thrus. This sandwich maker lets you prepare a hot, tasty breakfast in under 5 minutes. It's incredibly simple to use. Just place your bread and ingredients in layers, crack an egg on the cooking plate, and in minutes, your sandwich is ready to enjoy. The design is smart and functional, with a cooking plate that slides out to neatly assemble your sandwich. The top gently toasts your bread, while the egg layer cooks perfectly, giving you a warm, melty sandwich every time. You can create endless variations, from classic egg and cheese to gourmet croissant sandwiches with fresh ingredients of your choice. Cleaning is hassle-free too. The non-stick parts and removable ring assembly are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. This sandwich maker is a great gift idea for busy friends, students, or anyone who loves a fresh, homemade breakfast. Number 3. Aigostar Sandwich Maker with Non-Stick Deep Grid Surface. The Aigostar Sandwich Maker is a versatile, compact appliance that brings more than just sandwiches to the table. With its non-stick, deep grid surface, it can handle everything from a classic grilled cheese to a hearty Reuben or even juicy steaks. This sandwich maker is powered by a 750-watt motor, providing even heating for a golden, crispy crust in under 5 minutes. It's designed for ease. Just assemble your ingredients, close the lid, and press for a perfectly toasted sandwich or snack. A ready-to-cook light indicates when it's hot and ready, making the process fast and convenient. The non-stick plates mean you don't need oil or butter, which makes for healthier meals and effortless cleanup. Safety and storage are also a priority, with a cool touch locking handle and compact, upright storage. It's ideal for small spaces, dorm rooms, or RVs. Whether you're using bagels, quesadillas, or baguettes, the Aigostar Sandwich Maker makes mealtime quick, easy, and delicious. Number 4. Elite Gourmet Stainless Steel Sandwich Maker. The Elite Gourmet Stainless Steel Sandwich Maker is a time saver for busy mornings. With a powerful 750-watt design, this compact appliance quickly toasts and presses sandwiches in under 5 minutes, making it perfect for grilled cheese, tuna melts, omelets, or even French toast. Its dual non-stick cooking plates ensure an even toast while making cleanup a breeze. Just wipe them down when cooled. Designed with small spaces in mind, This sandwich maker has a sleek, upright storage option that fits easily in any kitchen. The cool touch handle and locking latch provide safe operation, while indicator lights show when it's ready to use, making it convenient for the whole family. Built with a durable stainless steel finish, the Elite Gourmet Sandwich Maker adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Whether it's for breakfast, lunch, or a quick snack, it delivers perfectly toasted, warm sandwiches every time. Number 5. Gotham Steel Nonstick Sandwich Maker. The Gotham Steel Nonstick Panini Press is a versatile, easy-to-use sandwich maker that brings delicious meals to your kitchen in just minutes. It's designed to make 4 perfectly toasted pocket sandwiches with a unique diagonal indentation for easy slicing, ideal for everything from grilled cheese to breakfast sandwiches. With an ultra non-stick surface reinforced with ceramic and titanium, cleanup is a breeze. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth after it cools. No oil or butter is needed, making it a healthier option for quick snacks. Indicator lights let you know exactly when it's ready to cook, so there's no guesswork involved. Compact and lightweight, this sandwich maker is perfect for small spaces like dorm rooms or any kitchen. The cool touch locking handle ensures safe operation every time. Backed by a 1-year warranty, the Gotham Steel Panini Press offers durability, quality, and convenience for quick, tasty sandwiches at home. Thanks for watching Reviews Heaven. We hope you found the perfect sandwich maker for your needs. Remember, all the product links are in the description box, so feel free to check them out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews.